Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be introducing you to 5 different AI tools that can potentially help you earn over $1,000 a week. Chances are you might have not come across most of these tools before, and you'll be amazed at how powerful they can be. But before I discuss on how you can use them, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video and share it with your family and friends. Before I give you the names, let's quickly touch on what AI is. In simple terms, AI stands for artificial intelligence, referring to systems and machines designed to mimic human behavior for performing tasks. What's remarkable about these AI tools is their ability to enhance themselves based on the data they collect. It's like they learn and grow smarter with the information they're fed. Now let's talk about these AI tools. The first tool is Writer.me. This AI tool serves as a virtual writing assistant, helping you create high quality content for various purposes. Whether it is making YouTube scripts, writing emails, crafting website copy, or drafting business pitches, Writer.me streamlines the content creation process. You can use it for your YouTube videos, social media captions, and website copywriting, saving you time and ensuring professional results. Next AI tool is Play.ht. It is an AI-powered text-to-speech software generating lifelike human voices. You can input the YouTube script that you got from Writer.me and instantly hear it converted into speech. This AI tool is invaluable for creating voiceovers for videos, blog content, or even sales videos. It has natural sounding voices, adding a professional touch to your content, enhancing engagement and user experience. The third AI tool is InVideo. This tool allows you to create videos from text. With the rise of platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, the demand for video content is soaring. You can take the YouTube script from Writer.me and put it in InVideo to make your own videos. It has a user-friendly interface and extensive library for templates and effects, making video production a breeze even for beginners. And now you can capitalize on the trend of content creation. The fourth website is called QuiltBolt. QuiltBolt is an AI tool that is used to paraphrase or reword existing articles or content. You can choose articles that you like and submit it to QuiltBolt, and their AI-powered paraphrasing tool will generate rewritten versions while retaining the original meaning and context. You can use QuiltBolt to enhance readability and SEO friendliness of articles, ensuring that rewritten articles are optimized for relevant keywords and phrases to improve search engine visibility and attract more traffic to your website or platform. The fifth AI tool is Leonardo.ai. You can create a wide range of unique and high quality images, experimenting with different styles, themes, and subjects to cater to various market demands, all just from text. After that, you can develop your own portfolio showcasing the images and then organize it into categories, making it easy for potential buyers to find the images that meet their needs. You can sell your images on different websites, for example, Getty Images, Adobe Stock, or IM. And that's it. Those are the 5 AI tools that you can earn potentially over $1,000 a week. These AI tools offer immense potential for streamlining your online businesses, YouTube creation, and maximizing your earnings. Whether it is generating images, crafting compelling content, or creating engaging videos, these AI tools empower you to achieve remarkable results with minimal effort. So which of these tools are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.